So I'm Yaodong from, it jumped. So let me go back. So yeah, I'm Yaodong, the co-founder and CTO of LoopX. Today I'm going to present our interoperable autonomy and also AI-powered collision avoidance systems with support from MICA. So LoopX is a young startup based in both Waterloo and Sudbury, and we focused on developing AI-powered solutions to improve the operational safety and efficiency of the mining industries. So we want to basically solve three problems of the mining industry. The first is safety risk. So mining, the safety is paramount in the mining industry because there's an inherent hazardous environment for both underground and surface mining. And mine site would do everything to keep their people from harm's way. And so each time there's an accident, there will be a huge impact on both the families and the communities. Another thing is the labor shortage. So in fact, in a very recent CNBC report indicates that 40% of the miners in the US would retire in the coming 5 years. And in fact, the average age of miners in North America is 46 years old, which is 6 years older than the other industries. So we have a aging workforce. Another thing is the production efficiency that we could improve by introducing automation, unmanned automation. For example, you have downtime each time there's a blasting. You have to do ventilation and safety concerns, and this can be somewhat optimized through automation. Of course, there are some existing solutions in the market. For example, we have a tag-based collision avoidance systems, which is designed to improve the situation awareness of the drivers. However, this system would require the driver or basically you would have a physical tag on each equipment and miners and sometimes infrastructures. And for example, if miners forget to wear their tags, this system would fail. Or if you have a new equipment that does not have this system, it won't work. Another thing is that those systems tends to provide a lot of false alarms, and we see a lot of demands from our clients which are not happy about this kind of tag-based systems. Another thing is the current automation system provided by OEM. One major concern from mine side is that the system provided by OEM only support their machines, and it cannot work with other manufacturers' equipment. And almost all mine site has a mixed fleet. Another thing is they only work in isolation areas, meaning that you cannot have other equipment, you cannot have other personnel in that area when this machine is operating autonomously or automated. So with the support from MICA, what we hope to achieve is an interoperable autonomy system for different equipment. Another benefit is that because our system is based on a camera LiDAR system and use AI system and use AI softwares to detect different kind of objects and optimize the path, the navigation of the vehicle, does not require the operation area to be isolated. So it can work with other personnel and equipments. So we start Q3 last year with the phase 2 MICA projects, and we move very fast. And so by Q4 last year, we've already tested our software and hardware in NORCAP training centers. And we've done more extensive tests this year in both Q1 and Q2. And the current system is more like a awareness system. So it has a perception, AI-based perception software using the camera LiDAR. And we hope to add the mapping and localization module on Q3 and Q4 this year and test it on NORCAP training center. And by next 2025, we hope to achieve full autonomy using exactly the same software and hardware system. So for this phase, with the support from MICA, we want to achieve a collision avoidance system using the same software hardware stacks we have for the autonomy. So during our development of the autonomy system, we have received many feedbacks from clients suggesting that what they need right now very urgently is to replace their tag-based systems. So what happens with the tag-based system is sometimes they provide inaccurate directional and positional alarms, and it will stop the vehicle when it should not. And that has impacts on their production efficiency. Another thing is that sometimes this system just wouldn't stop where it should to, which could lead to some dangerous cases. And it cannot prevent, obviously, collision with, for example, the walls, because you cannot have like 2,000 tags on your walls in the underground mine. And our system can solve their problems. That's why we want to work out with our clients and with the support of MICA to bring this to the market. So right now we're testing the perception stacks for our stacks. But in this year, Q3, we want to basically integrate the system to level 9, to upgrade to level 9, meaning that we will control the vehicle to stop. So this is an automated emergency braking features that we're currently developing and testing. And we hope to achieve this, the full system, in 2026. So yeah, that's everything.